Landale House is great. It's so close to London. It's always warm, cosy, friendly, lovely people.
Just a welcoming place to live, I think. We have the common room, it's a really social place. We live with all our friends, and all the staff that look after us have been so nice all year, so it's been great.
There are several room types to choose from. So my room here at Landale House is great. I've got a big comfy bed. I've also got a balcony that has great views over central London. I can go out there and have food with my friends. I've also got a desk where there's plenty of room to store things, as well as do my work, put my laptop there and watch TV. So my favourite thing about my room here at Landale House is my big comfy bed, which I can come home after a long day of uni and flop on.
Wi-Fi here is so good, which I think is so important.
The internet's fast enough for me to FaceTime my friends back home, watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, things like that.
The bathrooms in our flats are great. So in one room you have your shower and your sink, and then a separate room for the toilet, which means that there's never a queue in our flat.
The kitchen here is great. There's a fridge freezer, there's a cooker, oven, kettle, there's a toaster, which means there's always something to cook with.
So the kitchen's where we kind of spend our social time as a flat. So when we come back from uni, sit and talk about our day, have a cup of tea. The common room is a really nice place for all of our friends from all the different flats to come together. We can come down here to hang out before nights out.
There's lots of sofas, there's TVs down there as well, which means you can go and hang out with your friends rather than hanging out in your room.
There's a laundrette on site, which I think is really handy because it means that you don't have to take all your washing into town to get it done. You can do it all on site, which is great. Living in the big city can be scary, but here we're in a gated community. No one can get in without a fob.
It's a really safe area. There's CCTV all around the property, which means that you know that you're always safe.
There's staff here all the time, so even though we're away at uni, it's really nice to know that we have someone looking out for us. I really like the staff here at Landale House. I think they make it a really nice place to live.
They're always there for whenever you have a problem at all. You can always talk to them.
They are always looking out for us. They are there to answer any questions, and they also collect all our parcels for us so that while we're out at uni we don't miss any of our posts. So it's a really great service to have.
The great thing about Landale House is that your bills are all included. So you're not having to worry about paying gas bill, a water bill, electricity bill to lots of different people. It's all included in one lump sum. Nearby you have the University of Greenwich and also Trinity Laban, which is great because you meet lots of different people from different universities.
We're right next door to a swimming pool, bowling alley, cinema, lots of restaurants, so many things to do when we're not in uni. And Canada Water Tube Station is only a 5-minute walk away, which is the easiest way to get into central London. I cannot recommend living in Landale House enough. I don't want to leave. I feel so looked after. I love the social aspect. I love my little flat and all my flatmates.
I'd recommend Landale House because it's safe, it's good value for money, and there's a nice sociable atmosphere here.
I really like the area. It's really close to uni and there's so many things to do.